Entumason.
Nice to see some sunshine throughout this morning and now into the early afternoon. It may not be wall-to-wall blue sky, but at least we're getting some periods of sun, some brightening here in Annville, probably about a week away from college classes beginning across the mid-state for many students. And it will be warming up during the course of this week, right to the beginning of Farm Show. Temperatures in the middle to upper 30s right now. That may not seem super impressive, but keep in mind, Saturday's high, only 30 degrees. Yesterday, about 32 across the region. So we're taking small steps forward as we begin this warm-up. In terms of snow showers today, there could still be a brief flurry, but given the temperatures are above freezing, we don't expect any impact from this. Most of the snow shower activity lifted to our north and northeast. That's where it was more concentrated over New York State and also into New England. For us now, this just kind of opens the pathway to more mild air. And by tomorrow, we could get some rain showers in the mix. I don't expect a lot of rain, but just more of a sign that the entire atmosphere is seeing a pretty large warm-up. So today, highs will be near 40 degrees. Tonight, dropping into the low 30s. But we look at the big map right now. There's just not a whole lot to speak of. Sure, we have this weak-moving clipper moving by to our north, but to our south, very, very open. The southern jet stream, not active whatsoever. So that really limits any winter weather potential here moving forward in the 7-day forecast. And when we talk about rain shower opportunities, I want to step back here and show you that as things warm up, both for today and tonight, clouds begin to filter in tomorrow. And there will be a couple of showers around during the evening hours into the overnight, but it's very, very sparse. I don't expect a lot of rain Tuesday night into early Wednesday. Instead, if we see any periods of sunshine tomorrow, we could be near 50 degrees. If we don't do it Tuesday, we'll likely be there on Wednesday. Because of the clouds and the milder air, it doesn't get as cold at night. So we have an easier starting point each day to see that warm up. Again, here's rain totals for Tuesday night into Wednesday, just not seeing that much materializing. So we stay relatively dry until Friday and Saturday's forecast. Now let me show you what happens. I mentioned that the southern jet stream has been pretty dry. This storm system comes from the Ohio Valley, and by Friday, some scattered light showers. Those showers then linger into Saturday's forecast. I don't think it's a ton of rain, but it's enough to keep things damp for both Friday and Saturday in general. So here's the 7-day. Brett put it on there. Here's our thaw. Temperatures in the 50s, maybe as early as tomorrow for some of us, if not by then, perhaps Wednesday into Thursday, James, even the weekend. 56, not too shabby.
Yeah, January thaw sounds good to me.
It does indeed, my friend. And for those that don't like snow, this is your type of forecast. For those that want to ski and maybe make a snowman or two, have to wait a little bit longer.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Dan.
Sure.
We'll be right